The East London Liquor Company is back for a second round of funding, so we can keep doing what we were made to do. Dreaming bigger, getting bolder, and creating better than ever before. I'm Alex, founder of East London Liquor Company. You may remember me from our 2018 crowdfunding campaign. To our 1,000 investors who helped us raise at breakneck speed in 2018, hi. And to our potential new investors watching this, sit back and let me tell you what we're all about. What have you been up to, Alex, I hear you ask? Any big wins? Any new partnerships? Any tasty limited editions? Well, the answer to all that is simply yes. Let me break it all down for you and show that we put your money where our mouth is. We launched our online shop in lockdown number 1. We've been concocting canned cocktails and some serious seltzers, enabling us to turn your living rooms into bars. And some of our cans have found their way into a selection of Tesco's and Co-ops across the country. We also won the Royal Botanic Gardens Q Spirits contract and launched last year with our first edition with some great feedback.
Delicious.
You could take my word for it or hers, or you could just buy a bottle. Since our last crowdfunding campaign, we've released 6 new whiskey editions, broken into new export markets, and firmly planted our flag in our key American states. And celebrated 6 years of distilling decent booze for all you decent people out there. We managed all this last year whilst waiting alongside the rest of the hospitality sector for some meaningful government support. And guess we'll just have to keep cracking on. Oh yeah, and we've also had a complete rebrand. Not just a little facelift, a full-blown John Travolta, Nick Cage face-off situation, only with fewer bullets. It was 2 years in the making, and thanks to the overwhelming support of our customers, we were able to launch big with it. And it allows people to trial our Instagram account, which obviously we really love. People always say their favorite part of any crowdfunding video is where they get to see all the enticing stats and numbers. Well, we don't want to disappoint. So, what does the future look like for us? With your help, we would like to be laying down 250 casks per year by 2023, releasing 5 new products, including collaborations with Q, and solidifying our 7 key export markets through growing and developing their sales channels. The last year has shown us that working in adversity makes us stronger. And with all that we've achieved since the last crowdfunding round, we're now better placed than ever to welcome new and returning investors onto our journey. Above all else, we just want to get back to doing what we do best, making decent booze for decent people at decent prices. Help us up our game, make more whiskey, more tinnies, more bottles, more sales. And let's get people to drink East, wherever they are. We've got an incredible community of investors from our first round. Join us as we start our second and continue our boozy adventure. And hey, if you don't want to invest with us, support these hospitality legends and go drink our booze as soon as they reopen.